Migratory birds. Given an array of bird sightings where every element represents a bird type ID, determine the ID of the most frequently sighted type. If more than one type has been spotted at maximum amount, return the smallest of the IDs. Example, ARR 11223. There are two each of types 1 and 2, and one sighting of type 3. Pick the lower of the two types seen twice, type 1. Function description. Complete the migratory birds function in the editor below. Migratory birds have the following parameters: int AR, ARR, N. The types of birds sighted. Returns int. The lowest type ID of the most frequently sighted birds. Input format. The first line contains an integer n, the size of ARR. The second line describes ARR as n space separated integers, each a type number of the birds sighted. Constraints. 5 less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 2 times 10 to the power of 5. It is guaranteed that each type is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Sample input 0. 6, 1, 4, 4, 4, 5, 3. Sample output 0, 4. Explanation 0. The different types of birds occur in the following frequencies: type 1, 1 bird; type 2, 0 birds; type 3, 1 bird; type 4, 3 birds; type 5, 1 bird. The type number that occurs at the highest frequency is type 4, so we print 4 as our answer. Sample input 1, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. Sample output 1, 3. Explanation. The different types of birds occur in the following frequencies: type 1, 2, type 2, 2, type 3, 3, type 4, 3, type 5, 1. Two types have a frequency of 3, and the lower of those is a type 3. I'm using Python 3 for this solution. Let's do it. This Python code defines a function migratoryBirds that takes a list ARR as input, representing observation of bird species. The function is designed to find the most frequently occurring bird species in the list. It initializes a list B with 6 zeros. This list will be used to count the occurrences of each bird species. The index of the list corresponds to the bird species, and the value at each index represents the count of occurrences. The function then enters a for loop where each element I in the ARR list is processed. Inside the loop, the count of the bird species I is incremented in the B list using the statement bi plus equal 1. This means that whenever the bird species I is observed, its corresponding count in the B list is increased by 1. After processing all elements in the ARR list, the function returns the index of the maximum value in the B list using b.indexMaxB. The index represents the bird species that occurred most frequently in the ARR list.